Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Ultimate Power Plan in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to enable Ultimate Power Plan and Ultimate Performance Plan, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply press the big star button and here just search for Control Panel. Once you are on Control Panel, click on this category and then select large icon or small icon. I'm going to select large icons from here, then click on Power Options. And here you will see your power plan. It's balanced, it's selected. So now I'm going to add here a new power plan. You just have to go back, press the start button again, and here you can search for command prompt, terminal, or PowerShell add attachment. So I'm gonna open terminal, right click on the start button, then click on terminal into admin, click yes. Now here you just have to paste command. I have already entered command in my text box. You just have to paste the same command in this section. Just paste it here and then press enter from your keyboard. And you can see that power scheme GUID has been set it with ultimate performance named. Once you have done, just close this. Go to control panel again. Go to all control panel items. Now you can refresh this. Then go to power options. In power options, you must see show additional plans. Just click on it. And here you will see the option of ultimate performance. Click on this. Your power plan is now set it to be ultimate performance. If you want to make some changes, you can also do that from the control panel. So in this way, you can easily set ultimate performance in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.